Can you swear that you and Mr. Saheed Balogun are not doing papa inside the other room? Our guest today went back to her ex.
I went back to my ex. You are a fool. You are a fool, big one. Who told you he's my ex?
What is he? Oh, sorry, baby daddy.
Lord Denny. To my ex. It's good. I will tell him when I get home.
Is at home?
Hey, don't worry.
Is at home?
Maybe that is what you want to hear. Have you what else you want to hear?
Women.
Women. Kilo she women.
Women.
Be you. I went back to my ex.
I heard you crawled back, Seth.
I crawled back.
Is that a better English? Will that make you understand better? So he's at home?
And I spoke to myself before I came here. I said, I don't want to be angry.
Stop hiding from the question. So he's at home?
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò ó tẹ́ ẹ bá ń wo ìbéèrè tí bèyú bá bi ìyẹn ọmọkùnrin yìí tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Fathia Balogun ẹ rí i pé ó fara pẹ́ nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń sọ wípé àwọn méjèèjì ti ń dọ́gbọ́n padà ọmọkùnrin yìí béèrè ìyẹn bèyú bá bi ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ Fathia Balogun pé àǹtí Fathia ṣé ẹ lè sọ wípé ẹ̀yin àti Saheed Balogun ẹ kì í ṣe pàpàpà ṣùpé ẹ kì í ṣe jàǹgbàlà jùgún nínú other room ẹ wò ó Fathia rẹ́rìn lọ ó ní tẹ́ ẹ bá wo fídíò yìí síwájú ẹ rí ibi tí ọmọkùnrin tó ní ó yá Fathia ó yá ẹ búra sí i wípé ẹ̀yin àti Saheed Balogun o ẹ kì í ṣe kíni ẹ kì í nàra yín ní pàpà ìyẹn nínú yàrá gẹ́gẹ́ bí lọ́kọláya Fathia rẹ́rìn nígbà tó yá ó wá ń sọ fún Bèyú Bàbí wípé wò ó kúrò lórí question yẹn pé àwọn méjèèjì àwọn kì í ṣe ọmọdé náà ó question ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì tó tún jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn máa wò pé òótọ́ ni wọ́n ti ń padà sọ́dọ̀ ara wọn ni wípé nígbà tó béèrè lọ́wọ́ Fathia Balogun ó ní a gbọ́ wípé ẹ ti padà sọ́dọ̀ ex yín nítorí pé fíìmù premier fíìmù tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe Fathia Balogun sọ fún arákùnrin wípé ex báwo pé ta ló sọ fún ẹ pé ex òun ni Saheed Balogun ọmọkùnrin tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ Fathia pé ó dáa tí kò bá ń ṣe ex ẹ ṣe baby daddy ẹni Fathia Balogun ní pé èwo ló tún sọ lẹ́nu pé Saheed Balogun kì í ṣe ex òun o ó ní tóun bá délé ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ yẹn dáadáa ó ní tí mo bá délé ẹ tuntun gbọ́ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ tuntun bọ̀ yẹn gbọ́ dáadáa ó ní tóun bá délé òun á sọ fún Saheed Balogun tóun bá délé òun á sọ fún Saheed Balogun now èyí ló mú ọmọkùnrin náà tó náà fi wá wò pé mo sọ náà pé ẹ ń sọ ń sìn pé tẹ́ ẹ bá délé ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé tí ẹ bá délé ẹ ń sọ ń sìn pé tẹ́ ẹ bá délé ó wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ arábìnrin èèyàn lọ́wọ́ Fathia pé ṣé Saheed Balogun wà ń lé ni mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo akáfarabalẹ̀ gbọ́ bẹ̀ yẹn dáadáa o ó ní ṣé Saheed Balogun pé ṣé ó wà ń lé ni Fathia bá rẹ́rìn ó ní ọ̀dà tí kò bá sí ń lé báwo ni ìwọ ṣe wá sọ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá délé o pé tẹ́ ẹ bá délé o pé ẹ sọ fún pé tí kò bá ń ṣe pé bóyá ó wà ń lé pé that is ó mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀ lórí program yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lóòótọ́ ìdùnnú ló ṣubú layọ̀ nítorí pé kò sí nǹkan tí a fẹ́ gbà sórí wípé bóyá à ń bára wa jà Yorùbá sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá pòwe wọ́n ní ọjà tí ọmọ bá ti wọ̀ òkúta ti wọ̀ ọ́ àti wípé ẹni tó bá ti bímọ fún ni wọ́n ló ti kúrò lálẹ́ ẹni o inú gbogbo èèyàn náà ló ń dùn nígbà tí wọ́n wo interview pé ó dàbí wípé lóòótọ́ làwọn méjèèjì ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe kíni ni wọ́n ti ń padà díẹ̀díẹ̀ pé kíní àwọn kan tẹ̀ ń sọ wípé wọ́n kàn ń ṣojú ayé ni àwọn méjèèjì pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn wípé níṣe ni wọ́n ń ṣe kíni wọ́n ń jàǹgbàlà jùgbú tí wọ́n bá ti ríra wọn àyẹn ni wípé wọ́n ṣe bíi lọ́kọ láyà wọ́n ṣe pàpàpà súpé pé ṣùgbọ́n pé divorce ọjọ́ sí wọ́n kàn fi ń ṣojú ayé sìn ni o dáhùn táwa náà bá ṣàkíyèsí dáadáa a ó rí wípé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí gbogbo nǹkan tí Fathia Balogun tó ṣe pátápátá gbogbo rẹ̀ ni Saheed Balogun wà ń bẹ̀ tó sì dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkọ tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣàkíyèsí ẹ rí wípé nígbà tí ìyá Fathia Balogun tó kú tí Fathia Balogun tó ń sin òkú ìyá rẹ̀ ẹ rí pé Saheed Balogun ó dúró ti Fathia pátápátá láti ìgbà preparation ni wọ́n ti jọ wà. Ọjọ́ wake up wọ́n jọ wà ń bẹ̀ pátápátá ní Saheed Balogun àti Fathia Balogun. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá Fathia Balogun àti Saheed Balogun tó jọ wà ń bẹ̀ o. Wọ́n jọ jókòó gẹ́gẹ́ bí lọ́kọ-láyà ní ibi ètò ìsìnkú yìí. Wọ́n jọ jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn bíi lọ́kọ-láyà tí wọ́n jọ ń jíròrò, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń dàpàrà. Eléyìí tó fi hàn wípé àárín àwọn méjèèjì ó dán mọ́rán o. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wo ọjọ́ náà lọ́hùn-ún, ẹ rí i pé ojú táwọn méjèèjì fi ń wora wọn ní bọ́n ṣe jọ jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn, ojú olólùfẹ́ ni o. Ojú wọn ò korò síra wọn o. Ojú wọn ò korò síra wọn rárá. Eléyìí fi hàn wípé bí wọn ò tiẹ̀ kéde rẹ̀ officially wípé àwọn ti jọ padà àbí àwọn ti fẹ́ jọ padà, bí wọn ò tiẹ̀ kéde ẹ̀ tí wọn ò tiẹ̀ sọ officially, ó ti ń fi hàn wípé àjọṣepọ̀ tó dán mọ́rán ó wà láàrin wọn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá tó wá wo ìgbà tí Fathia Balogun tó ṣe premiere fíìmù ẹ̀ tó ṣe yìí, ẹ rí i pé Saheed Balogun náà òun náà tún wà ń bẹ̀. Aṣọ kan náà ni wọ́n jọ wọ̀ tí wọ́n sì jọ ń jó, tí wọ́n ń rẹ́rìn síra wọn, tí wọ́n ń dọ̀wẹ́kẹ̀ síra wọn. Ìyẹn ni wípé nǹkan tó fi mú Saheed Balogun wà níbẹ̀ tí àwọn méjèèjì jọ wà tí kò sì sí ọkùnrin kan náà kó dé kó challenge Saheed Balogun pé arákùnrin àbí ọ̀gbẹ́ni sún sẹ́yìn o, nítorí pé ìwà àtọmọbìnrin yóò sí mọ́, èmi ti gba ìsọ̀, èmi ni mo wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ orí tèmi ló wà ń bẹ̀. Kò sí ọkùnrin kankan tó wá bá Saheed Balogun pé òun tákù ẹ̀ pé ọ̀gbẹ́ni sún sẹ́yìn, ṣebí ẹ̀jọ́ sí mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àrí obìnrin kankan kó wá bá Saheed Balogun wípé ṣebí ò fẹ́ Fathia mọ́, ẹni kan ṣèbẹ́mi nìyàwó ilé ẹ, má jẹ́ kí n rí ẹ kó tó lọ bá Fathia mọ́. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan báyìí àwọn èèyàn expect wípé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní gbogbo àwọn occasion tí Fathia Balogun àti Saheed Balogun tí wọ́n ti pàdé, ṣùgbọ́n irú ẹ̀ kankan ò ṣẹlẹ̀ o. àrí obìnrin kankan kó bọ́ sórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì wípé ọkọ òun ni Saheed Balogun ó ti lóun ò fẹ́ Fathia mọ́ o, pé kí ló tún lọ ṣe, ẹ bá mi pè é, ẹ bá mi bẹ̀, ẹ bá mi fà á, ẹ bá mi ṣe tọ̀hún, ẹ bá mi ṣe tibí. Kò sí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà láàrí ọkùnrin kankan kó jáde kó challenge Saheed Balogun tàbí wípé pé ìyàwó òun ni Fathia báyìí o. Kò sẹ́ni tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Eléyìí ló múnú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn dùn wípé ó dàbí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ wọn ó ti wọ̀ padà. Ẹ rí i pé àdúrà tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó ń bá àwọn ọkọ àtìyàwó yìí gbà náà ni wípé kí wọ́n má ṣe ṣe kíni, kí wọ́n má ṣe bára wọn jà, kí ilé wọn kó gún kó tòrò kó tùbà kó tùṣẹ́. Màá máa fi fídíò yìí lẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́tún gbọ́ síwájú sí i. Bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tiyín, ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ fi síbi comment section. Ẹ má dẹ̀ gbàgbé náà, ẹ bá mi wò sàlẹ̀ níbi tán kọ subscribe sí, ẹ kílìkì lórí subscribe button yẹn fún wa. Ọ̀fẹ́ ni subscription o. Ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ fi ń bá wa tẹ subscribe ní orúkọ Jésù. Ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sin, ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o.
What is your business?
You said one of, did I leave with you? You mentioned home. Who concerned me with your home? Why did you mention home? You are the one that jabo now.
I jabo. At my age, me, I will jabo. Jabo for what?
So is that home? Hey. Okay.
But you can we please go to the main questions?
All right. Whether it's at home or it's not at home, only God knows. I know Fathia Balogun very well. Like, I'm a big fan of Fathia Balogun. But who is this struggling actress I'm hearing nowadays, Fathia Williams? Who is that one? Because Fathia Williams does not really have a goal like that. Good question, right? But Fathia Balogun, respect. That one is. Can you tell us about who Fathia Williams is? Because I don't know her. I don't want to know her. But just for people that are watching, let's give them something to watch. Who is Fathia Williams?
Your father was my friend before he died. Close one. I respect him so much. And I know that you went to school. You lost to school, Dada. You understand? So, tell me, Fathia Williams and Fathia Balogun, are they two different people? This school to law.
For me, they are.
How?
Let's see. I'm saying that I'm a big fan of Fathia Balogun. Fathia Balogun is here. Fathia Balogun. Eh? You think this I'll be doing? I'll be shaking. So Fathia Williams, I don't rate Fathia Williams at all. Like Fathia Balogun is here. Fathia Williams is here. To me, oh, you understand? To me.
So stupid you. Who is sitting down here?
But I don't know. It's you that will tell me. It's you that will tell her. Introduce yourself.
Egbami. So you brought me from my house to come and sit down and be differentiating between Fathia Balogun and Fathia Williams.
You that. Okay. Tonosi before, like.
Okay. Maybe I explain. My name is Fathia Balogun Williams. My father's name is Williams.
Famzin.
Famzin.
You are Famzin but the Baloguns.
I'm Famzin the Baloguns, or the Baloguns are Famzin me. Oh, Ryoruko yeni.
Who is this?
Fathia Williams. Oh, Ryoruko yen.
Are you Fathia Balogun?
I am Fathia Balogun Williams.
Now you are Fathia.
Going to go Lord Joyce Third Milan Bridge. To bad doing. I know your type now. I know your type. Separation type ni.
Mama, you are confusing me.
Confusing you how? The people that have sense at home, they already know that this is Fathia Williams Balogun sitting down. But stupid you, your head, you will not know. I even thought that when I come that you will even respect me and ask me normal questions. I didn't know the same thing. No.
What am I asking that is not
stupid cool? Questions.
Don't say that again. Don't say what my questions are stupid. Don't take it back.
Take what back? Stupid over 100 questions, don't be me. I used to be a fan of this program. Oh, really? No problem. Let's go.
I'm just giving.
Go on.
You're scaring me. You're not making me free. You understand? This one they say you came tile, let's come and beat me. Please take it easy. You understand? I'm just asking. I'm trying to promote you out there. And we both know. Eh? We both know that you need this promotion.
Promote me, I'm promoting you.
Who knows Fathia Williams? They know Fathia Williams than Bayu Babi.
Bayu Babi. You used me in that's your skits that you did not even succeed in it. You remember you used me, you begged to use me.
Why I used this? Because it is skits that did not succeed that I used to feature in. So I now used you in. My
skits was one of the best one you did. When you were still doing that don't let me insult you. You are my son. Don't let me insult you.
I know my mother, please. Well, you want to fans me the way you fans them Baloguns. Please, I know my mother. So let's just move on. Let's talk about what you are obviously here for. You understand? Which is promotion that you need. Let's talk about Ephro the unicorn. Ephro means unicorn. Is that the meaning of Ephro?
Ask your brain if you went to school, or if you want me to call someone to come and tell you what Ephro the unicorn means. Because right now, I used to think you have brain, that you were brilliant, but now I can see you don't have one single brain at all. You begged me to come to this show. You didn't sleep. You did not sleep, oh.
God forbid.
I now came here now. You are insulting me, asking me nonsense questions.
See, okay. I know you came here for promotion, but why me I call you here for? Do you want to know it? I'm here because I'm curious about so many things. You are confusing us, you understand, online. You understand? Tell us, where is your position online? Go. What are you doing? Are you single?
Show okay, Sha. Show okay. I'm confusing you, Bawu. Bayu. To be many questions you shaking. I'm sorry, Sha.
I'm just asking, what's your status? Okay, you know what? Don't say that. Hold on, I have something. Hold on. Can you swear that you and Mr. Saheed Balogun are not doing pa inside the other room? That is something funny.
Bayu.
Don't use laugh and cover it now. Don't swear that you people are not entering the other room. Tell me people are doing because I know you say, it's professional, we're just promoting them. It's a lie. Swear.
I should swear.
Yes, all these are
not doing with
pa. When I mean pa, let me give you this pa. Are you going to swear or not?
I should swear on what?
Are you people doing this thing in the other room? Yes or no?
Am I a child?
Are you?
Am I a child?
So you are.
I will be swearing that I'm doing. If I do it, I don't understand.
Anybody? Are you doing?
So why would I start carrying black pot and red cloth? Because
are you?
Where my sound, Joe? Only random kekere. Are you doing that?
We your first want to know now. People that
You want to know that I'm doing pakpakpa, you my fans. How? I should write timetable for you people.
So we can't know. Then why are you a celebrity? We cannot ask questions about you. Why are you a celebrity? We forced you.
Okay. No vex. I'm sorry.
Are you going to answer or we should move on to the next question?
Move on to the next question.
I guess you all know the answer already.
Ode.
Women. Hey, let's go to the next question. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Women.
You want to go to the next question?
Please, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Let's go on to the next question. Let's talk about Ephro. It came out May 1st, right? Talk now.
Yes.
Are you angry about something? Let's talk now.
I'm not angry. I'm waiting for your next question.
It came out May 1st.
Yes, sir.
I wish I did this interview with you earlier. I wanted to suggest to you that instead of showing it in cinema for people to go and watch, you cannot just gather all the cast in the movie and you people should help us act it in National Theatre.
Khalid.
Yes, ma'am.
Jamal. Ewole.
What have we?
Ewole dada. So that tẹ́ bá máa gbá ní ojú, ẹ lè ráyè gbá lójú. So, èmi máa dì mú mi.
Ask the question again.
Ask the question again.
Man, we've not reached.
Ask the question again.
I said Ephro is showing May 1st.
Fantastic.
It's a very, I'm sure it's a very interesting movie.
Very, very.
Continue.
Olafi Alubarika si. God bless it. So, nice one. Do you want to say anything about Ephro?
Oh yeah, say something about Ephro.
Ephro the Unicorn is a fantastic movie, as you can see. How dear.
Okay, you have watched it.
What kind of question is that?
I want to know, have you watched it?
What kind of question is that? Of course, I've watched it.
Okay. Maybe you should start with who the hell you are. Yes, is it that she picked you on the street as Agbero? I want to know now. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Leave him. Wait. See, there is a reason why I'm a first class student and you are not. You understand? There is a level to smartness between us. You understand? Let me explain it to you. Do you get? My name is Balogun, right? And this,
Balogun.
Exactly. She has told you things that you can't comprehend things easily, right?
When someone looks at your stomach, you will say, you have the tendency and the capacity of the equal. But why do you not leave it in your stomach?
Because it has gone to his brain. And the swelling in his brain, safe, it's not as if he's saying something brilliant.
It amazes me how you manage to rise to new lows.
I'm sorry. Oh, guys, sorry, I didn't know that they were children. Yes, I just thought.
Curiosity or what rubbish?
That's my own. Like, what is it? Like, if you ask you now, like, what is your niche? Like, what do you do?
I give people like your mommy promotion.
You give me promotion? I gave you promotion.
Give him.
Before you did this one.
Don't let us handle this.
Okay. Okay.
When last you see somebody just randomly watching Bilubabi? Like, any of our friends, have they randomly watched?
The last time I saw who Bilubabi was when he used to do Istababu at the end of that. We do Istababu.
Otito. Go to the main question.
Khalid, and what's your own name?
What's his name?
I don't know his name.
What's his name?
I forgot.
You forgot. What's his name?
I'm sorry.
What's his
Let me
name?
say something.
What is it? What? Tell me his name.
I'm coming. Let me say something. You know you have overused this one to be dancing.
Oh, sing.
Leave him.
Maybe I have anger issues. He did not tell me.
What he was.
On this, I have anger issue. On this Ephro, I have anger issue. More than anger issue, self. What's his name? Kiloso.
I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it.
Jamalo.
No, let me.
What do you want from us?
Let's promote Ephro. Is it still showing in cinemas?
No, it's not showing.
Is it all cinemas?
It's showing in your house. It's not showing.
Is it all cinemas?
It's in your Iluyi.
I want to give you an advice. Like, I see the way you speak, and I look at you. You talk about promotions and stuff like that. What's your thoughts for they become your words? What your words, they become your actions. What your actions, they become your habits. What your habits, they become your character.
You have educated children.
You become your destiny.
You cannot understand.
The reason why you do all this is because your destiny has always to become a vendor. You are here to be a vendor to us.
Vendor.
Now, when we started the show, you said like this, somebody's like this, here like this. Yes, she is like this because she is Fathia with Balogun. She's always like this. And you always look from like this.
Exactly.
Let him know. From top to bottom.
Let
top
him know.
To bottom. Top to bottom.
You can't do that. He's too fat. Like if he goes here.
Let go. He takes you're coming to
Don't worry. Let him continue.
So I guess for you people to be here, you people are happy that your mommy is using your daddy to promote. That's a very good thing.
Internet is
a luggage. Internet is a luggage. Trust me, you're traveling like.
Don't face me. Don't face. Let's correct Mama.
That what? Correct that what?
She's using our brother. Please.
Who's your brother? This is my brother here. This is my mother here. Who is your brother?
Who's your brother? But not in
brother?
Attaché. Your brother.
We are not shapeless and fat like this in our family. Who is your brother?
Attaché.
One more. I see know these people. Because they cause you down. They are disrespecting me.
You didn't disrespect me.
We will stand.
Wait, so you did not disrespect me by telling me what's the difference between Fathia Balogun and Fathia Williams. You did not disrespect me.
It's a question.
By telling me that I should take this your stupid charcoal to swear.
Something is supposed to break from here.
See,
what's the difference between Isbeyu and Beyu Babi?
What's the difference?
See, one is not up, one is not down. Two of them are down.
Since can they swear?
Get well, law. Get well, law.
Swear that what? Swear that what?
Please ask next question.
Let's ask a very serious question now. You understand? Very serious question. You lost your mom a few months ago. You understand? I really commend you on that, and I welcome you to orphanhood. You understand? Welcome to the team. Yes. You guys should clap now. It's a very
It's okay.
welcome. Me too.
You are saying since that makes sense.
Yeah. Welcome to orphanhood. Me too. I lost my mom. Me too. I don't have a dad too again. So I'm proud of you. I'm proud that you've got into orphanhood. You understand? It takes a lot. That's why I say you might senior me by age. What I used to senior you. See when your own mom is just dying. My mom have died since. So I've used that knowledge to pass you. You understand? So you are just experiencing it. So you can senior me with age, senior me with that. You first mean to blow. But you see some things I know more than you.
I feel like you are right in one statement you said. You said you senior her that you lost. Because it shows that you've lost father figures, mother figures, like you've lost it in the long.
It's not your mom that are age mate, so you can't talk to me like that, though. It's not your mom that are age mate, though. Tell your children, no, I'm not talking, no.
Okay, guys. Leave him. I know it's in shame. Leave him. Let me face him. Leave him. Leave him. Oh yeah.
Unless he says something.
Let's go.
They should be going. Which one is that you stay?
They should be going. They should be going. She come along.
Come on, let them go.
They should go. Okay, no problem.
Just stay like this.
Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Call us.
I will. Once he law.
That's why they use you to be dancing, to be decent.
Leave. Let me use him. If I don't use him, who will use him now? You did not. Nobody to use you now. No father, no mother. So who is going to use you? Is it your old age that your children will be using you? Because you are a star, they will be saying that our daddy is Bayu. They will start using you at old age. Don't pray for that, though.
Yeah. Moving on. Yeah. What I want to ask now, I know you will not believe it, but do you know that there are some mumu out there that mistake you for a legend? People are there thinking that Fathia Balogun, legend. I'm like, are they stupid? Are they mad? What do you mean that she's a legend? What has she done in this industry? What has she done for this industry? How she has done is they should be calling her. What have you done? The auntie that calling you in industry is not enough. Auntie Fathia. That's enough now. Which one is that should be calling you legend? The auntie title, manage it. I'm sure you understand my.
How did you get here? When did you lose it? Yes. Because the Beyu I knew then humble, quiet, easygoing, intelligent.
What did I say now?
What did you say?
Do you think you're a legend?
I didn't say that.
You asked, and it's my opinion.
And I'm also asking you a question.
Which one is what did I lose? What did I lose?
Did you not ask me?
What did I lose?
Did you not ask me? You said, do you think you are a legend? And I'm asking you, how did you lose it? When?
What did I lose? Adam.
Oh, come on in.
So you're a legend. Okay, to me, you're not a legend.
Thank you.
Yes, to me, you're auntie.
I'm not even auntie. I am Fathia. My name is Fathia.
I'm glad you tell them to stop calling you auntie. Every time they'll see you pass it, they'll be kneeling down.
I'll tell them.
You're letting your somebody, even though you see not them, they are your colleague. That celebrities to them, you make them kneel down for you. They'll be kneeling down to greet you.
Do you know why we are getting away with this?
Why?
Because if I insult you, your father will be crying. Fathia, Obama ti shele.
If you fuck my daddy now, my daddy can say it's his farms, my daddy might not know it like that. You know your daddy.
Your daddy used to farms me. Your daddy used to come and look for me because Sake. Ọmọ ló fẹ́ gún mi, ló fẹ́ mú mi gún ẹ o. Bàbá ẹ fans mi ló jẹ́. Bàbá ẹ man fans mi ni. Ó tún fi yẹn lẹ̀, and you now came again as the son to farms me. Gbogbo ẹnu mi mo fi sọ yes.
Let's move on to the next question.
Let's move
on to the next question. It says here that you are over 50 years of age. I'm sure a lot of people tell you that you look or you don't look your age. That's right. Oh man, why are you shaking your leg? Calm down now. Why you calm down? What? I'm only asking a question. Why are you shaking?
Okay. What did you ask me?
Calm down. Why are you just shaking? You're angry. You feel like slapping me. You wish you wish.
So you know.
You wish I'm not taller than you. You will have slapped me.
Are you taller than me?
I'm forget the heels you are wearing. I'm taller.
Okay, like the question you just asked me now.
I've not asked you a question. You are the one that is jumping. You understand? If you can't.
That guy is jumping. Yato bie ati baba they are jumping. You shall want me to insult them, sha. I've been avoiding it since, but you want me to shall insult them.
But what did I do?
Me, I'm jumping.
It's not. What's bad in jumping?
You. Is it because of this your stupid program you are doing?
Let me just ask my question. Let me ask you. Why are you cutting me?
I did not say you should not ask your question. Why are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting. What did I insult you?
Me, I'm jumping. Bombe.
No, jumping.
So quickly, jumping is it not bombe?
If you like to do Yoruba film, you will know it. You might not know jumping is. You know me. I'm very educated. You understand?
You're very educated.
I'm an ND holder.
Hear me, oh. So you can talk about my father by to your long. ND holder, Loni. This generation. Our ND conscience. We trained our children well to go and don't let me insult. No problem.
Let me just ask my question. You're over 50 years of age. I'm sure a lot of people say you don't look your age, and that might be true. But I swear, you dress your age, oh. Because what did you wear in that your birthday dinner party? That white thing. What's that white thing? What's funny? What is funny? Who is trying to make you laugh? What happened to you? You dress 80 years old. You dress your age. What are your age?
Do you?
What happened?
I don't know if you have a girlfriend or you have a wife.
Duh.
Can you bring your girlfriend or your wife?
To stand beside you?
Yes.
For what?
I'm sure your girlfriend cannot stand beside me.
You think?
I will. Hands down.
Show you now, I'll be you.
Now.
Oh, no,
me now. Bring your girlfriend out. If you are you, bring your girlfriend out now. And I'm sure before your girlfriend returns,
my girlfriend.
Ati dano.
What about?
Wherever you are, come out.
What if I say my girlfriend is Aliyah?
Orí ẹ fẹ́ burú ni. Sori ìyà tó fẹ́ jẹ ní àárọ̀ yìí, ó máa jẹ. Ìyà tó fẹ́ jẹ ní àárọ̀ yìí, ó máa padà jẹ. Your girlfriend.
Why is so protective? She's not somebody that we marry her or we date her.
That she's still in school.
And so?
You announce, baby, gbogbo nǹkan ni mi gbà o. Gbogbo nǹkan ni mi gbà, not my children o, not Aliyah o, ṣọ́rẹ́ o. I will break your head o. You know you have this thing here, I will break your head.
Why is it that it's men that suffer? You have used Khalid have come here and do Fijabi for you and his brother. But the female, you are taking care. No, not how. No, Aliyah Chedo.
You heard me just now. She's still in school.
In school, like what school? How old is Aliyah?
Hey, you, Mama Low.
How old is Aliyah?
Mama Low.
Is she not over 18?
I will be going, no.
Sorry, Aliyah.
Sorry for your head. Oh no.
No, if she actually ends up with me, she's actually
oh no, Jeko end up with you. I rebook it like me. Who end up with you?
That's a good catch.
You are who? Má can shake me for you.
We very know each other. You very.
Má can shake me for you.
Okay.
Jeje ni mo jókòó mi tó ní kí n wá sí show ẹ o.
Let's go back to Ephro.
Thank you.
The
unicorn.
The unicorn. Oh. What happened?
To who?
Let's go back to Ephro, the unicorn. Is it my movie? Is it that we'll talk about it now?
And you don't have the respect for this your program to ask me the question you want to ask me. Let's go back to Ephro, the unicorn.
Why does respect have to do with you promoting your movie? Why do you respect everything? I should kneel down. Talk please, so kilo day because if you're older than me, I need a person that is older than me that I will give platform.
Is this the way you talk to people that come here?
Why should I talk to? I should be putting ma at the end of my. Sorry, I'm so sorry,
Should I make it by? Oh, le make it, program.
It's too late because I have made it already.
Nibo, but let's make it. Kiloni? What's to make it like on social media? But to make anyone fancy the most
I don't like
young.
I don't like to.
You don't have ni. You are managing. You don't have. How many years ago that I've known you? Oh, ko sin kankan. One pay me. Me face. Don't worry, we'll finish this program. So this is Ephro the Unicorn, my new movie that is showing in all cinemas. Boy, it's a pomeno.
Sorry.
If you talk about for come, it's about for it's here.
Why are the people in Ephro, the cast, be listening?
This guy. Oh God.
What did I say again now? Who are the people in this
Hey, okay. We have Ogogo in the movie.
We know where I go, be fast.
There's Femi Adebayo.
Okay.
Femi Branch.
Go to where we.
John Adekola. Saheed Balogun.
Bam, stay like that. Stay like that. Don't help us stay like that. So, Mr. Saheed acted in Ephro. Did you pay him in cash or you pay him in kind? One round, one scene. One scene, one round.
God.
Is that Abby? That's a good question. What happened? How did you pay him? Simple. That's a very matured question now.
What's your business?
Why
do you want to know? I paid him in cash, yo. I paid him in kind, yo. Kilo coin. I can pay in anything I want to pay. What is your own?
Oga.
Oga bi ori e.
How about you?
See?
You wanna want go, Mr. Saheed. Mr. Saheed. I love that man. So, what do you think he's doing at home now?
Okay, I should bring my family plan.
So he's your family?
To your program.
He's part of your family?
To your program.
So you people are back together?
What is your business?
If you don't care about that family, now, is it not a family? Is it not a family? Is it not a family?
Are you not my family?
Who is your family? Who's that?
You're not my family.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You understand? I'm so sorry. So, Mr. Saheed is part of your family? He's simple now. You people are back together? No, it's question.
What is your business? Sure.
God does not want anything premarital. So, are you people back together?
See who is talking.
What the?
No, back in the babe.
Mama, calm down. It's not about...
What is calm down?
Interview is not my...
No, back in the end, daddy.
Mama, it's not part of it. This is not part
It's not part of it.
The interview is not part of it. It's not about me and my daddy.
You asked me and I'm asking you.
Mama, this woman,
what is that?
What's that?
Maybe we know each other now.
I just...
Curiosity, Abi.
Yeah, don't answer. Don't answer. Are you people back? Yeah, so... No, we are just... For our no. Don't worry. Let's move on. Now, wow. Next question. Do you ever plan on quitting acting? Or I should look for a way to tell people to cancel you?
It's not your fault. You know, because they cancelled you in so many...
Mama.
They cancelled you in so many careers, so you think that everybody will be cancelled. No, back in the Which number is this one that you are doing?
Let me say something. Me, I love to explore. You understand? I love to explore. You understand? I get bored easily. You have been acting.
You don't like to explore, so you were not successful on it,
More.
You were not successful on it. You didn't. Why are you lying? I know. But this career, I've been there for over 30-something years and I'm still doing good. And I'll still do good, Bayu. And I'm not leaving anytime soon.
Yeah, please, leave.
Leave where?
Acting.
Come and carry me now.
I'm begging you. I'm
begging you for what?
That you should quit. Can't I beg you?
The career me till what the people they come back They cannot take my own. No.
Who carry my career? What sort of thing are you saying this morning?
What am I saying? What are you asking me since morning?
You
want to cry?
I'm not crying. Just I'm crying. I'm laughing.
Don't cry. Sorry, sorry.
Thank you. Even what I want to ask again,
Ephro the Unicorn is still showing in all cinemas across the nation. Please go and watch for me. You will love this movie. The review is excellent. Please go watch it for me. I love you and thank you all. If you have watched it, thank you. If you have not watched it, go and watch it for me.
There's this girl I just met. I plan on going to watch it with her. April 29,
Is it every month that you change your girlfriends?
That's when I plan on watching it with her.
Because another one is coming, Annie.
Mama.
You have another new one again.
Can you just leave my life alone?
Did you leave my own life alone? Did you leave my own life? You went to the extent of bringing Juju to your show. Because you want to know about my own life. You say I should live your life.
When you will not tell us easily, if you are matured, you just say, guys, I'm actually, nobody will bite you, nobody will beat you, but you're just scared. Say it.
Must everything be said? Must everything? But you know how to change girlfriends every day.
So we can't be...
But you don't have sense to know that this thing is this thing.
Oh! You tell us.
Tell you what?
Breaking news. Damn. Say it.
Should I go?
Fathia Balogun Williams. Ephro the unicorn.
Benny.
The unicorn.
The unicorn, Benny.
The cowgirl, the unicorn girl.
You can't zip your mouth. You're just respecting yourself just now. What is this song on me? The cowgirl, what is show you how to get off your one? No, the cow, like the cow, there's cowgirl style. Your own is the unicorn girl style. Don't worry, those people know we know. You are too old to know it. You understand? Yeah, I'm too old to know it. Are you young? Do you know cowgirl style? You don't know. Abi, you know. You know. Ha! Ephro, yeah! Tell us, what's Ephro about? Why should we go and watch it? Ephro is a cultural story, very deep cultural story. But I saw Oyinbo in the trailer. How is the culture? In 18th century, we had white people staying in Lagos. Yes. Go and read well. White people are in that. They used to, in the 18th century, we had white people negotiating with us, doing business with us in Lagos. So, because I just said it, which school did you go to? I don't know. You should know history. It's not everything I can know. No matter the school I go to. You don't know Ephro. You don't know Ephro Shetan?
but I know Mia Khalifa. Do you know my Khalifa? Don't know. What I know, you don't know. So we can't know everything. This knowledge is vast. You can't know any people I know. You know Ephro, I know Mia Khalifa.
Okay. Ephro is a strong woman that ruled in the 18th century. Was a very strong woman that was into politics, was into slave trade, was into the businesses they do in 18th century. And she was strong. She was a kingmaker. So why you should go and watch Ephro is because it's an historical story that you need to learn, that you need to learn from. Like you just said now, you said you don't know anything about Ephro. And Ephro is an icon that you need to know about. Your children need to know about it.
But you've told us about her now. Why should I still go and watch it? You've said everything, that she's an icon, she's a peacemaker,
It's not
she's
enough.
a slave.
It's not enough.
So there's more in the movie.
There's more in the movie to learn that you will not even expect. Okay, let me shock you. Fumi Ramson Kuti, I'm sure. What do you know about?
She's in the movie.
What do you know? She's in the movie.
She's back.
Babe, it's back in it.
Yeah,
It's back.
What's going on? Hey. You're the one that said.
You said Fumi is back. Is your father back?
I thought.
I want to come padà. Is your father back?
Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
So what if you're talking serious? You just come with that's your dirty kini wa masoro.
Right.
Okay. Why I think you should watch Ephro is so that you can have stories to tell your children. Because I know you don't have plenty brain like that. You don't know too much about historical story. You want to be doing as if you are butter, that you don't know our own cultural stories. But please go and watch it so that you can learn and tell your children. Ephro is in the league of like people like Fumi Ransom Kuti. I'm sure you know Fumi Ransom Kuti because you say you know Kuti because of, I don't want to mention name. You understand? That's the kind of story Ephro is. Those strong women that were there in those days that fought for our rights to be alive today. That is the kind of person Ephro is. So please, John, through your long mo beni, me mo bi ori e ma nwu mo fori iya ati baba e mo fi be. Let me tell your people that they should come and watch. Bring them to the cinema to come and watch, please.
I'll do that. Is that all?
Is that all you have to say?
Okay, I should force them. I should put them on duress.
I didn't say you should force them.
I should put gun to their head to go and watch it.
I didn't say you should force them.
That's though you give me percentage in the movie. So what concern me? Why are you telling me I should go and tell them to watch Ephro? You paid me? No, let's stop. I like saying the truth now. Did you pay me in cash or you pay me in kind? None of the above. None of the above. And I've not rejected any one of them.
Any one of what?
Like, you've not, like...
Any one of what?
I'm just saying that you've not...
Repeat what you just said now.
If it's not here, you have gone.
He has gone. You cannot repeat it.
I know.
Repeat it.
Nothing.
You don't know if I can give you anything now. Repeat it. Repeat.
I say...
Khalid.
Is that my Khalid Baba to Ali Baba? Sorry, Khalid. I'm so sorry, Khalid.
So this is all you brought me to come and do it on?
Let's move on. Ephro is out in all cinemas. Make time to watch it. You understand? Make time to watch it.
Why are you saying it as if I'm forcing you to say it?
You are.
Don't say it then. Don't worry.
Then don't make time.
Don't worry. Okay, they should not make time.
Yeah,
no problem. Which
one is? Why you serious go like this?
I don't know how to say it in English. Oh
yeah, people go and watch it.
She have what? But you say it properly like...
The money I made in the script, it has finished.
It has finished?
See, is that this way?
Okay, and you don't want me to make my own money?
People should go and watch it. People should go and watch it to Ephro, the unicorn. The unicorn.
Kodao.
What did he say?
Kodao.
They're asking. They're writing it in the chat that did you people kiss in the movie?
Kiss in the movie? They
don't kiss in traditional movie.
Do they kiss in traditional movie? Historical movie? Show my kiss in when?
They used to kiss in history.
But there's love in it. There's romance.
You people romance?
Yes. With Saheed.
You romanced?
Yes.
Ooh. You romanced.
But anything romance, you like it. You romance. Look at you. You romance.
Show me. Let's action.
Which one?
Like what?
With me and you.
Who else is?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, action.
This
action now.
What kind of romance is this? What is this?
I want you to sit down properly so that you can Move your seats and do the romance.
I like it gently.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a rough rider.
Yeah, let's
Take
go.
it easy. Romance.
You romance because I came to your show, Abby. Are you done?
If you people go and wash it. Please come. Tell me she come, please.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
We are here.
And so?
You want to receive another slap, Abi?
Were you not the one that called them?
Talk to now.
You came to bully me on this.
Now.
Okay, Abby.
I'm a pharmacist, so I can. If you need anything,
Exactly.
I can fight for you.
We already think for Abby and
Medicine can solve this weight problem.
I feel like everything went away.
I don't think so. Ask your question.
Since Ababu.
Past tense, Past tense,
When somebody do this now, they'll say they're using big dynasty.
I know you are a dancer.
I'm a dance artist and a choreographer.
A world-class choreographer.
I know you do not go to school.
My question, let me just ask you talk too much.
Dance artist.
Why did you call them?
Let me ask my question.
Ask your question.
You're a dance artist.
And
Choreographer. Choreographer. Let me
continue.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n yín ni ẹ má rí fi ó jù yín lọ.
Ó yá yín. My question is, do any of you have interest on being an actor? I mean, a local champion actor like Momsi?
Ebo. Ebo.
No, mommy. Let's do. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh yeah. That's the end of the show. Don't answer.
Not the end of the show. Reframe your question.
Before we leave here.
Yes, change it. Say it properly. Say it properly.
I should move the champion.
Which champion? Say it properly like the Baloguns are. Say it properly.
Oh yeah, star girl.
No. Say it properly.
So should I remove the champion?
Reframe it. Say it exactly.
It's you that are not so. Why?
I never respected that much.
Don't say that. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹni sẹ́. Má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ta ni.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n yín pẹ̀lú blood. But
My phone does not have video like this.
I beg you.
Tito.
That's all right.
You sent the children to school. It's my Indomie noodles that are watching outside. You sent the children to school. That's what they're watching. Tell your children. Thank you all for watching. Sorry, Curiosity made me ask this episode. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, Ile.
Irọ́. Nǹkan tó fi gbé mi wá síbẹ̀ àwọn ló máa fi parí program.
Kí ni mo fi gbé yín wá?
Kí ló fi gbé mi wá?
What happened?
Kí ló fi gbé mi wá?
What was this?
We have how many times you want to promote?
Say it. Just say it at the end of the video with it.
People should watch.
No.
I whispered this.
Should I tell you what I want you to say? Ṣofẹ́ kí n sọ?
Oh yeah, say it.
Say it now properly.
You people should go and watch.
No. O fẹ́ wá kọ ọ́ sí mi láyà bí? Ṣofẹ́ náà wọ̀ sí mi láyà ni? Which one is it people should go and watch?
What's your plan? What's your plan today? You've done one romance thing. What is your plan today?
Are you on email? I don't think it's the first time.
Àbí tó lẹ́gbọ́n wọn ni.
So your mom is ìyàwó to somebody at the back. Why is that question so hard? Because people have jabber so many times. It's ìyàwó.
Baba, you wait till me say me you.
Exactly.
Talk a full the unicorn finish.
Mr. Saheed is now opening door for her.
If they used to do this
for premiere, because of premiere, Mr. Saheed. Now the movie will go. You now say, I'm done.
Okay, wait.
If you leave that man after this promotion of this movie, Adabi.
I want to say something.
Adabi, that might not open door for you in that premiere.
Don't worry, I want to say something.
Don't tell me. Text me.
We have we use our father as promotion, like you said. We do not deny it. Like use whatever you have in your capacity.
I don't think.
So I don't have a far.
Promote.
I will be like, I will never say that.
Ìwọ ló forí ara ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ báyìí.
See what?
You are the one now.
See what you
just do something simple, something for me. Gbogbo ṣe ń fagùn.
People should watch her phone.
Was that so hard?
It's out in cinemas.
Thank you.
go and watch it in all cinemas.
Thank you.
But when you get there and they say, it's sold out, wait for the next ticket.
Thank you.
You understand?
And thank you.